What if the universe never expanded at all? In the energy filament theory, redshift is not a space-stretching speed tag, but a ratio you read when old particle rhythms meet today's local clock. Textbooks quietly treat redshift like a cosmic speedometer. From that one dial, they build the universe's size, age, expansion history, and even when it started accelerating. Here's the strange part: once you lock redshift to expansion, the math can corner you into extra fixes, like dark energy, inflation, and a stack of careful parameters. Think of it like using a rubber ruler that slowly relaxes with time. You measure a distant building with today's ruler, then swear the building must be growing because the numbers keep shifting. Or think of a metronome that slowly drifts. You listen to an old recording, compare it to your current beat, and mistake a tempo mismatch for the whole concert hall physically stretching. In this picture, vacuum is not empty space, but a real energy sea that can tighten, loosen, and change its response. Particles are not eternal identical dots. Their stable patterns can adapt as the sea relaxes. So light from far away carries the source's factory rhythm, and we decode it using our current rhythm and our current ruler. That means the redshift you see can be a historical fingerprint, not a recession speed. If you misread a fingerprint as a speed label, you can systematically misread the universe's size, its cooling story, and how energy is distributed. You also inherit a hidden rule: the universe must be infinite, and boundary talk becomes forbidden, because a finite world would raise uncomfortable geometry questions. But if the core story is relaxation, not runaway stretching, then a physical boundary becomes discussable again, like a shoreline where the relay of influence fades out. And the weirdest implication is not just about edges. A relaxing energy sea can also host extreme structures inside the universe, including a darker-than-black hole silent cavity that looks invisible because it's too empty to glow. So the real fight is not old physics versus new physics. It's one habit of reading the data versus another habit that asks, what is the medium, and what is the mechanism? If redshift is mainly a clock and ruler ratio, the universe stops being an expanding stage and becomes a changing sea with evolving rules. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.